Laundry in here that I should be folding, but instead, I'm gonna film a video. Hey guys, it's me, Sam. So it's Halloween, and I said I was gonna be a Victoria's Secret angel, but I didn't order anything. I'm super sick, and we're days away from Halloween. I don't feel cute. Just decided, fuck it. I'm not gonna be a Victoria's Secret angel. While dying in bed, I was thinking, what can I be for Halloween? And then it hit me. I'm gonna be that little girl. Right now, what you guys are gonna see me do is attempt to do that. It shouldn't be that hard because she kind of looks bad, so. Has like purples and like pinks on her eyes. I don't know. She has some glitter there. I don't have glitter with me. I'm just gonna mainly be using the Morphe 35U palette and Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette, maybe to dip into, I think, this pink shade. I really have a makeup brush on me, so we're gonna just see how this goes. We're just gonna, oh my god, that's fucking pigmented. So like, I'm just gonna like put this all over because you know what? I don't care, and that little girl didn't care. I already look like her. So yeah, actually, I'm gonna use my finger for this because who cares? And I'm not doing my eyebrows because I don't think children do their eyebrows. Don't think that she was wearing eyeshadow primer, so perfect. I'm gonna go in with this purple now. Why am I like this? Okay. I think she had like purple. Oh, yes, we live for a purple moment. Just on your lid, you know, just on there. She does have a little hint of blue, so I'm gonna go in with this and try to do it a little bit more precise. I'm gonna take this NYX blue shade. It's called Blue Jeans. This angled brush from e.l.f. and just, you know, tap that shit in there. Tap it in there and just go. Yes, it adds like the sparkle because you know, like her makeup's smudged. So just right there and then down. Maybe like buff everything out with this. I'm gonna go back in with that pink that I started with. This is how you know I'm sick and I don't care. Yeah, more pink. I want it a little bit more, you know, and then some blue. I mean, that purple. That purple really just makes it pop, you know. This looks like when I let my niece do my makeup, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Not because I'm sick, like I genuinely am thinking I'm doing a good job at recreating this little girl's makeup, you guys. Who's that? It's just me being a queen once again. Yeah. Dude, this looks good. Just, you know, smudge it out. Oh, I just made that blue a highlighter. Look at that. I really just want you guys to know that I only have these like couple products here at home because I stay at school almost all the time. If your fingers don't look like this by the time this is happening, you're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. I think I am gonna make it a little bit glam and just smoke out the bottom. This color, that pink, and that purple, you know, because we do want it like a little bit glam. My M215 brush and just gonna line the bottom of my eyes with that. Yeah, it really makes your eyes pop, you guys. This is a look, and yeah, I am gonna walk around my dorm like this, my dorm hall. You guys, I'm so smart. I was gonna be Trish Paytas, however you say her last name, because I love her. I was gonna walk around and just eat chicken nuggets. Then I realized I don't have a blonde wig and I don't have a pink jumpsuit, so like just wouldn't have the full effect. So I'm not gonna do that. Since I don't have glitter, I have loose glitter in my dorm room. I don't have loose glitter with me right now, but this will suffice. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm just going to, I think I'm going to dip into Kitty Cat because it's like pink. Actually, no, I'm going to go into Forever Lit with my pinky because like that's the only color I have right available at this moment. Oh, this works perfectly. Oh my god, this works so amazing, you guys. And then you're just gonna put it there and massage it in. Perfect. Perfect. Close. You see what I mean? You're just gonna pat it. I love being a sparkly mess. Pat it on so the glitter stays. And then you just massage wherever. Now that that is done, I don't have the mascara that I want to use. I was going to use my mom's, but she took it with her to work. So I'm going to use the MAC's Upward Lash mascara in Upward Black. Throw some of that on however it goes. I'll probably wear lashes, probably, maybe, I don't know. But thinking about being Trish, yeah, I feel like I have too much hair to go underneath the wig cap. And I don't know how to lay my edges, so I feel like it would just look bad. I look so much better like this, you know? I put some brow gel through my brows. Sorry for like all this disgusting sniffling that's happening, but you know, the Gimme Brow Plus by Benefit in number 5. I'm just gonna brush through my brows, you know, to make them at least look a little decent. We're just gonna brush through my brows that I hate and need to get done by my friend Blalia, but doesn't matter. You're dressing up as a child in the back seat of her mom's car. And now for the showstopper. So at school, I have literally the exact color that little girl's wearing in a lipstick form, but I don't have it with me right now. So we're gonna use a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Prom Night, and hope for the best. Doesn't really matter how you do this because the little girl's lips are messed up anyways. I look like a clown. Then you're gonna take one finger and just drag it out. You just want to look like you, I can't say what I was gonna say on camera. Since you want to be a little bit glam, you know, I'm gonna take some ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Kink, and you're just gonna put that over the tops of your lips. Perfect. I'm now realizing I kind of don't look like that little girl. I kind of look like a psychopath, but it's okay. I don't know what you would wear. She's wearing like an Elsa dress, but I'm not gonna wear an Elsa dress, mostly because I don't have one. I look like the Joker. I look horrible. Maybe my hair should go back up. I don't really think it matters what you wear. I'll probably just wear a plain t-shirt. Right now I'm wearing a shirt with all the pictures at the end of the Hangover movie, but you know, whatever. I'm out here dying, you guys, so just put your hair up like in whatever situation it goes. So like I'm just gonna put my, and then just, you know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making a complete fool out of myself. I hope you enjoyed the tomfoolery going on behind this video. I am so sick and drugged up on cough medicine right now. I can't smell anything. I can't taste anything. I sound disgusting. It'd be a lot better now that I'm looking at it. When I do it for Halloween, I'm going to put on like light lashes, and I'll have some chunky glitter with me. So for more, not so many more videos like this, subscribe, hit the notifications button.